Alex Marley, yeah, this isn't a boat ramp, but rather the beginning of a park here that's been fully submerged because of the waves earlier this morning. Now, and also to your right, here's a restaurant that was also nearly flooded out at the same time because of the waves coloring outside of the lines today. Another day, another storm mess for coastal cities. The culprit, not rain, but heavy surf.
When the big surf comes, yeah, the sand is going to move.
Residents say it was somewhat expected, but still surprising to see where the water could go.
I took pictures for my kids. They won't believe it.
Yesterday it was quite dry, but today you've got a lagoon.
In the case of the Beach House restaurant, the view of the water, a little too good.
I got here at about 7:30 in the morning, getting ready for the day, and it was fine. There were no issues. And then my partner's brother came running into the restaurant. He said, "Rosie, you're gonna flood." So I ran out there, and sure enough, I mean, it was coming. It was at a really fast pace.
They just opened 3 weeks ago, and owner Rose Ritchie says they got lucky where the wet stuff stopped.
We were just a few inches here from coming up to our patio.
Folks say it comes with the territory, and they'll continue to be prepared.
I don't expect it to be any worse than it was this morning.
This is what sandbags are for?
That's what sandbags are for, yeah.
It is worth noting that the beach house was open the entire time today as it was basically surrounded by water. City crews are, of course, working overtime to try to get this area drained because, again, high tide coming up at 10:20 this evening. Reporting live in Seal Beach, Travis Rice, Fox 11 News.